Pop it open.
It's a habit more Canadians are becoming familiar with. But while EV owners might see cost savings on fueling and maintaining their vehicles, they could take a financial hit on insuring them.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about a topic in regards to an insurance company which refuse to insure electric vehicle, especially Tesla. So for those who are returning viewers in my channel, welcome back. And for those who are new, my name is Chester Cheng, and today we're going to dive into this topic. Let's go. Well, in the past 6 months, I've been reading articles about insurance company refuse service for electric vehicles in Western countries, but this one is happening in Malaysia. And this involves AIG refusing to insure Tesla vehicles in Malaysia. Getting auto insurance for electric vehicle in Malaysia is not exactly a hard task. That is unless you own a Tesla and insist of having an AIG Malaysia auto insurance policy for it, because the company seems to have specifically put the brand into a no welcome list for the AIG Comprehensive Car Insurance plan. This is based on terms and conditions that were published on AIG Malaysia's website, which is shared by Azlan Mahmud on the Malaysian Electric Vehicle Owners Club Facebook group. The exclusion of Tesla vehicle is not only weird condition, but the company also imposed on customers though.
The batteries on the undercarriage, if it gets damaged, even for a minor collision, it may have to be replaced, and the cost is significant.
Well, it looks like our local Malaysian insurance companies starting to realize that insure a EV vehicle is not a good business. As you can see in the screenshot above, there are a long list of vehicles that AIG Malaysia have refused to insure, including a Toyota Hilux pickup truck. The same goes for Alphard Wellfire MPV with a sum insured of above 150,000 ringgit. The same restriction also applies to sport performance and modified vehicle. Even if you are 30 years old and below, the company is not able to apply insurance for your vehicle.
Not all of them yet, and yes, there is some truth to the fact that this is a new technology and some of the components that would be required to repair a battery don't exist yet.
So like I said, they are not doing charity business. They are there to make money because they have board of directors and they have shareholders where they have to report to. Despite the restrictive terms and conditions shown on the website, it turns out that this is not a complete picture of AIG Malaysia's comprehensive car insurance plan. We made a call to AIG Malaysia customer service hotline earlier to obtain further clarification. While it's true the company does not accept application for Tesla, this only applies to online submission.
Insurance agencies say when more knowledge and widespread training of this newer tech becomes available and accessible, it expects premiums to stabilize.
From what I read in those articles, a lot of Western countries, insurance companies refusing to insure those electric vehicles. However, from what I understand, there are still some insurance companies who are willing to provide insurance to those electric vehicles, but this is going to cause the EV owner having to pay more in terms of the insurance premium in order to get coverage. You can still get auto insurance from AIG Malaysia for Tesla, but you have to submit your application manually through an insurance agent. This being said, your application is still subject to the approval of the company's auto department. The AIG Malaysia customer service agent that we spoke with also pointed out that this is not limited to Tesla though. If you purchase an EV from other manufacturers, you still have to submit your application manually instead of the website, although oddly enough, this was not mentioned in the company's website. Now, I understand a lot of people that say maintenance for electric vehicles is much lower compared to ICE vehicles, but then again, when it breaks, especially for those insurance coverage one, they are not talking about serviceable item, they are talking about repair costs during collision. So those repair costs for electric vehicle is going to cost a bomb compared to ICE cars, because ICE vehicles, they have lots of replaceable parts and they are easy serviceable. The double-edged sword for the EV vehicle is because those parts are non-serviceable. You take the biggest part of all of the electric car, which is the lithium-ion batteries, and majority of them, if not all, they are non-serviceable. You have to replace the entire battery pack, which is going to cost more than the entire car itself. That's the main core of the reason why I believe the insurance company refuse to insure all those EV vehicles. Most of the time, they have to write off the car. That's the big loss for them. I foresee in the future, even if they allow to insure, it's going to cost the EV owner a lot more in terms of premium just for the insurance coverage. Probably in the range of tens of thousands of ringgit. Who knows? So what do you guys think? Am I right or wrong in regards to this opinion? Tell me about it right in the comments down below. That's all for this video topic. If you enjoyed thus far and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you might want to consider subscribing by clicking on the subscription button. Other than that, if you don't want to, you please consider give a thumbs up to this video. I'm Chester Cheng. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.